Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Udacity nanodegrees and showcase progress on LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Udacity nanodegree, first, visit the official Udacity website. Sign into your account using your registered email and password. Once signed in, navigate to the dashboard where your enrolled courses are listed. Select the nanodegree program you wish to activate. Click on the Enroll or Start button associated with that program. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your enrollment. Next, log into your Udacity account to check your course materials. Start by reviewing the syllabus to understand the course structure. Make a study plan to manage your time effectively throughout the nanodegree. As you progress, complete all the required projects and assignments. Once you finish the program, you will be eligible for a certificate. To showcase your progress on LinkedIn, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Click on the Add Profile section button. Select Recommended and then click on Add Certifications. Enter the name of the nanodegree in the certification name field. For the issuing organization, type Udacity. Add the issue date. This is the month and year you completed the nanodegree. If applicable, include the expiration date. You can also include a certification URL, which allows others to verify your achievement. Once all fields are completed, click on Save to add the certification to your profile. Consider sharing a post about your accomplishment to inform your network. Engage with others who comment on your post to foster connections. Continuously update your LinkedIn profile as you complete more projects or continue learning. This not only highlights your skills but also enhances your professional visibility. By following these steps, you can effectively activate your Udacity nanodegree and showcase your hard-earned achievements on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.